Welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe again.
Chloe is our taste tester. Remember all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, in today's video we will be making some jalapeno breakfast scones, and here are the ingredients you will need to put this recipe together. Here I have some all-purpose flour, I have some pepper jack cheese, I have my whole milk, 1 egg, I have some white vinegar, and here I have some Gouda cheese. This is the brand here. I got this one from Costco. I have some cold butter, black pepper, baking soda, garlic salt, baking powder, and here I have some red and green jalapeños, and I also have some celery leaves. Now you can use as much or as little jalapeños that you like. Just remember, our aim is to make it a little bit spicy. So if you don't want it to be too spicy, you can less down on the jalapeños. Now the first thing we're going to do is prepare our buttermilk. For this recipe you will need some buttermilk, and that's where the vinegar and the milk comes in. If you prefer to use a store-bought buttermilk, you can go right ahead and do that, but I just like to make my own. I don't have use for a lot of buttermilk, so I just like to make my own whenever I need. To make your buttermilk, your milk must be room temperature, and you're gonna add in your vinegar. All the measurements will be listed down below in the description box, so you will know exactly how much vinegar and how much milk I'm using here. And you want to mix to make sure that it's combined, and then you wait to see the magic happens. To know when your mixture has formed into buttermilk, you'll just pick up some and you'll see that it's like a little curdle here in it, and you know you have the right texture and you know you have the right consistency or the look you're looking for. Now we'll place this on the side and I'll bring my flour back. Now to this we'll add in our dry ingredients, which is our garlic salt and baking powder, our baking soda and black pepper, and I'm also going to add in my butter. Remember, your butter should be cold. I'm just going to give this a little mix here before I add in the butter. And you want to mix and make sure that the butter is combined within the flour. So now that my flour is all mixed in here, the butter is all mixed in the flour, we'll add in the cheese. And you want to mix this in as well. Now we're going to add in all our pepper and the celery leaf. And if you would like, you can add some scallions in here as well, but I don't have any today, so I will not be adding any. So now you want to form a well in the middle, and you just want to pour in your buttermilk here. And you want to start bringing your dough together. And if you feel that your dough is a little bit dry and you have a lot of dry flour or some more dry flour in your bowl, you can go in with a little bit of cold milk, about 2 to 3 tablespoons more of cold milk. So now that my dough come together, I'm just gonna turn it out on my counter and just empty my bowl right here. And I'm just gonna need to make sure that all the dough is at the same texture. You don't want to over knead the dough. Just turn it around like this and press. Make sure that everything is compact. And at the same time, you'll try to pick up every pieces of cheese or any piece of dough that's on the counter. As you're kneading it, try to form it into a log. And you want to flatten it here and just press, making it into like a nice bread, a a loaf of bread. And here to my baking pan, I have a piece of parchment paper, and my loaf here is about, I should say, less than 2-inch thick. I mean, I don't know if you can see my finger here, but it's like halfway here. And now we're gonna just cut them into like triangular shape. To my pan, I'll start placing them here. And here we have it. We'll place this on the side and we will prepare an egg wash. Now you just want to whisk 1 egg in a bowl here, and we'll use this to brush our scones. And if you prefer to use milk, you can go ahead and use milk, but then you want to brush the top and the sides. Now I'm going to place these in the oven. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees, and I'll bake these for 25 to 30 minutes. So guys, here's my spicy jalapeno scones. They're all done, and all that's left now is to just place them on my cooling rack here. And we'll allow these to cool. Chloe's gonna try them and she will tell you how good it is. It is a bit spicy, but she will still try it because she still like it. So we'll see you guys in a few minutes when Chloe is ready to try this. In the meantime, I'm gonna try to get a nice thumbnail for my video. See you guys back in a few.
Try it. Yummy. Bye, like, subscribe, see you in our next video. Bye.
So guys, we're just gonna break into one of this and show you how nice it is on the inside. Look at all that stretchy cheese there. So we hope you enjoy this recipe and give it a try. And let us know in the comment if you try our recipe. We'll see you in our next video, guys. Bye.